Hello, today we will introduce this HYCHIKA electric jigsaw in detail. This is on, off switch, lock on switch. Speed adjust button. Blade storage box. Pendulum selector. Dust removal switch. Base adjustment switch. The cutting angle can be adjusted by this switch. This is the switch for the laser. What's in the package? A HYCHIKA jigsaw, 6 T-shank blades, 1 guide ruler. Common problems and solutions. Firstly, when turning on the laser switch found no laser. At this time, it is because the laser battery should be replaced. Open the protective cover, take out the battery, and replace it with a new one. Now, the laser is back. Laser position is crooked. It is because the laser line was not aligned. We need to fix it, loosen the screw. And use a wrench to fine-tune the laser position. When the laser line is perpendicular to the machine, just tighten the screws. Thirdly, the tangent line is crooked. Draw a straight light and cut along the line. Or just turn on the laser guide. Using a scale ruler will be perfect. Finally, how to replace the saw blades. We need to open the lock-on chuck. Insert the blade in the right direction. Release the switch and the blade will be fixed automatically.